Now I'm going to install the RAM right here. I do recall saying that the blue ones were 1 and 2. Yep. So I've got 8 gigs of RAM here. Very excited that I have 8 and not just 4. And that was a surprise. And yeah, I will go ahead and put those in the blue slots now. And after that, I'm going to turn the camera off and go and get some dinner is here. So, if you've never installed RAM before, it's probably one of the easiest things. There are these tabs that you push back, and then you just pop the RAM in. And it's so easy that those tabs that you popped back, you don't even have to pop them back up, because as you push them in, the tabs close themselves. So don't even have to lift a finger. So that's nice. So hopefully you saw that. Let's lower this a little bit more. Oh, wow. Alright. So yeah, once again, here are my tabs. I'll just push them back. Got another 4GB stick of RAM. There's a notch so that it's impossible to put it in the wrong way. You just slide it in, and you'll see those latches just pop shut by themselves. Hopefully. Yep. On the camera it looked like it just appeared, but believe me, it was there before, and it just kind of popped shut. And so yeah, that's how to install your RAM.